Hello there. A bit of a mix this morning, some bright spells around, but also one or two mist patches as well. And moving forward, quite a grey afternoon and windy as well, as indeed it will be through the weekend. But today we are expecting some large waves at the coast in the Isle of Man. Strong east-southeasterly winds with gusts potentially up to 45, 50 miles an hour today and overnight tonight. So particularly Douglas, Laxey and Ramsey promenades may be affected. And over the weekend, cloud and brighter spells. Some rain around. Saturday's the better day of the weekend. It's not looking quite as bad as we thought it was yesterday. So you can see that as we head into the afternoon, any of the brighter spells are going to be obliterated by cloud, which is building. There could be some rain and drizzle around as well. Like I say, a breezy day for all of us, but especially through the Irish Sea and across the Isle of Man. Those temperatures, well, around average, where we'd expect them to be for the time of year, but with the cold breeze, it's going to make them feel a little bit more bitter. And then into the evening and overnight period, the showers and the drizzle continues for a little while, but things tend to turn drier as we head through the early hours of the morning. One or two clearer spells opening up, but because of the breeze, we are going to be frost free. Then into tomorrow, a bright start to the day for many of us, but cloud increasing as the day wears on from the south, but still not a bad day at all. Bye-bye. Hello there. Quite a grey afternoon in store and rather mixed as we head into the weekend as well. Really strong winds through the Irish Sea with gusts of 45 to 50 miles an hour today and overnight tonight. Large waves are expected at the coast, particularly Douglas, Laxey and Ramsey promenades affected, and that warning in place all afternoon. As we head into the rest of the day then, for the rest of us, still breezy, quite grey out there, some drizzle and rain and some mist and hill fog over the tops of hills. Temperatures around average but feeling colder with the wind, and then into the overnight period, showers continue for a while, things turn drier into Saturday. Bye-bye. Snowdrop season is upon us. These hardy bulbs got the memo. They thrive on cold, damp weather. Will we get it over the weekend? All the details coming up. Hello there. Well, very windy across the Isle of Man today. Some big waves at the coast, and that continues overnight tonight. Gusts of 50 miles an hour. Elsewhere, breezy and looking very mixed as we head into the weekend. Generally, low pressure is in charge, and the cold plunge of air across the United States is directly impacting us. It's resulting in a stronger, straighter jet stream, and so we're right in the firing line for quite a few low pressure systems. There is some winteriness in the forecast for the start of next week, but low confidence over that. It may just be at higher levels, and equally there's a question mark over this low pressure system, which is pushing a bit further northwards over the next 24 hours. That's Storm Ingrid, named by the Portuguese Met Office, but tomorrow's looking better than we thought it was going to be yesterday. Certainly Saturday is the better day of the weekend. Overnight tonight, the rain pushes away to the north, skies clearing behind it. Staying windy, as I say, across the Isle of Man here. Still some strong gusts of wind, breezy elsewhere, but at least that keeps us frost free. Maybe some mist and fog at higher levels. Thank you, Sheena, for this fabulous photo. For our sunset photo, the sun's up tomorrow, 8:10, sets about 20 to 5 in the evening. Thank you for sharing that with us, Sheena. Into tomorrow then, a fairly bright start to the day, and cloud may increase from the south as the afternoon wears on. However, it's not going to be too bad at all. Mostly staying dry with some good bright spells, especially further north, but still a little bit on the breezy side from a chilly direction, and so that's going to take the top off those temperatures. And then overnight, as we head into Sunday, you can see that this system spins a little bit further northwards than it did before, than we thought it was going to, so there could be some scraps of rain and drizzle around. Quite a grey day on Sunday, but slightly lighter winds, and then rather cold as we head into the start of the new week. Bye-bye.